up, everybody? It's Chef Claudy. I am here in Duquesne, PA at the Greater Pittsburgh Food Bank, and I am so excited because we're creating a recipe for health. We're excited to start our culinary series in the education station, also known as the Nutrition Kitchen. So what's up? Pull up on us. We're gonna be doing collards today. A recipe that has very few ingredients, but you're going to be able to really understand the layers of flavor. Nice, quick, and easy. You're talking about less than an hour. So tune in, pull up on me. We about to have some fun. The ingredients include 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 slices of bacon, 1 large onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced. You can use minced garlic if you have it in the fridge already. 1 pound of fresh collard greens, 3 cups of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 pinch of red pepper flakes, but that's seasoned to taste. We're gonna start by washing. You're gonna really wash the collards, have them submerged into water, and really get them in. They're from the earth, so we wanna make sure that we wash them and make sure they're nice and clean and drain them. We're gonna go from there. Now that you have everything in place, go on and take your leaves and start to take out the middle part. So then we're gonna cut the actual leaf. You fold it, we roll it up a little bit, and we start to cut it because we want it to be bite-sized. So we want it to be about 2 inches in shape. We don't want it to be too big or too small. Next thing you know, you wanna grab your onion. The onion actually needs to be bite-sized as well. It brings a sweetness, but also it really brings like a bold flavor. Last but not least, we get the bacon going. The alternatives, you can use turkey bacon. I personally like to chop my bacon beforehand. Some people like to crumble it later. Either way, the bacon will be rendered. Rendered means literally bringing all that fat and that grease out of it and making sure that we get just the crispy bacon pieces. 5 to 7 minutes. Now you want to add to a hot pan. The bacon goes in. The onions go in. So after the onions become translucent, start to add your garlic. Garlic comes in last because it burns easy. And cook until fragrant. Then you want to add your collard greens. So your collard greens are already chopped. It's already the right size, but you want to make sure that it becomes this bright, bright green. That's when you know you're getting the maximum amount of flavor out of your greens. And fry until they start to wilt. So I'm gonna be honest with you. We do want to do a teaspoon of salt and pepper flakes. However, it's seasoned to taste. Everyone has a different palate. So I want you guys to use your discretion. However, we don't want to be in excess, right? We don't want to have too much salt. We don't want to have too much pepper or anything of that nature. Now you add your broth. We're ready to rock and roll. We let it simmer for a while. I personally added peppers, some fresh herb like parsley, and that's my own twist that I have on it. But I encourage you to experiment, and I encourage you to plate up and make it fun. Now that it's smelling good, the whole house should be smelling like an aroma of onions and peppers and collards. And then, guess what the best part is? You start to plate. If you like collard greens, you'll love this recipe. So please, guys, enjoy Chef Claudy's Kicking Collard Greens. Thank you so much for pulling up on us today. We want to give a shout out to the EAT initiative, EAT, Empowerment, Awareness, and Training Initiative. Started in 2015 by myself and a group of people that just really believed in food and healthy nutrition and making sure that the community had education. Thank you to the Greater Pittsburgh Food Bank, and thank you to the market in this beautiful nutrition kitchen. Follow us. Thank you.